Okay, we have a Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4. Brand new tire. Pilot Sport All Season 4. Brand new tire. That is bent. It's not even. It has excessive road force. And we will spin it on the balancer with the road force roller, and we will find out for ourselves. It's brand new tire, never been driven. Good. We set it at 35 psi, and the machine goes. Let's see the actual. It's hard to see the unevenness on camera. But we have 90 newtons of road force that cannot be fixed by force matching. Here, we have 90 newtons of road force. All right, now we're gonna go to the force match and see that the rim run out is nearly perfect. It's almost straight, like 100% straight rim, but the tire has really excessive road force. Yes. So, how do we go about that? Please post it in the comments.